Good evening from the Arizona desert. My name is Tom, and I'm out here in Phoenix, Arizona, and these are the nightly DoorDash numbers from the desert. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, and today we managed to start early and end right at midnight and pulled in again 409.41. I was bombarded with a bunch of retail grocery orders, in-house delivery. I, I I don't do them. I refuse to. I don't care if they're $30, $50. I refuse to do them. I'm not going to put myself once again into a position where something won't scan or Wi-Fi is not working or cellular network's not working. Uh, a challenge scanning those items in to put them into my car and scanning them out, and then having to deal with Marissa and Ash with DoorDash support. I refuse to do that. There's too many potential errors. A 15 item means I have to scan 30 items. And if there's a problem and I have to call DoorDash support, I refuse to engage with that system as much as possible. Can you tell the disdain that I have for that system? So at any rate, we did manage to do a lot of hustle today. We looked at some software on YouTube, a channel, and just power watched as many videos as I possibly could. And I'll probably be doing that the rest of this week. So probably only running at 90%, probably could have pushed out a little bit more, a lot of distractions. I like the distractions because it means that I'm learning and it means that I'm gaining knowledge to be able to apply that later and reap the benefits and the rewards of spending that time. Plus, I spent a lot of time today working with OG out in Massachusetts, was on his live in the morning and gave him permission to reach on out to me if he wanted me to come on to the live again and dialogue with him. Um, that didn't happen, but I did get a call, and he called me and talked to me for the last couple of hours of his shift, and very pleasant call. A lot of back and forth, a lot of sharing. We screen shared, talked to him about tracking his acceptance rating. Um, him and Mary Ann are both uh, very technical savvy individuals as far as using Google Sheets or Excel or any of that type of stuff. So I know that they're going to be able to pull something together. So I was just kind of showing him what I have, and kind of blew him away a little bit, but it's expected. Anybody looking at what's been being created over the last 6 years almost doing DoorDash and tracking numbers. It's finally completed, and it's impressive. So we did talk about live streams. We talked about potential partnership, collaboration, working together. Hopefully that becomes a reality. I think it would be fun. I think it would be enjoyable. I think it would be profitable. So we'll see where it goes. So tomorrow, may jump on his live first thing in the morning just because he's out on the East Coast and he's out earlier than I am. But then I'm going to go right back to continuing to watch and flag videos, tag them to put them into a watch later list so that I can really delve into the material and gather the resources. So right now it's what I call burning things in the fire. I'm watching it, I'm taking it in, I'm seeing how they're presenting, I'm seeing the resources that they're using, how they're setting it up. Um, I'm dream building at the same time, trying to figure out, where I want to take, the channel and these lives that we're going to be doing in the middle of March. And I'm coming up with a lot of great ideas. I think ultimately people will be happy. I think it'll be a natural draw. So let's go take a look at the rest of the numbers so that I can get out of here and go home. So we did 18 hours, 10 minutes, 39 out of 48 deliveries, meaning we declined 9. So far this week, we're at 12, 10, 22 in just 3 days, averaging a little over 400, probably $404 and some odd cents would be the average. And let's go take a look at our ratings. There's probably a lot of on-time stuff that's missing. Take a look at this. 2 that we were late on time. So currently we're at an 89 acceptance rate, 100% completion. So we pushed that out from the last couple of days. That was down at 99 the last time. 98 on time, 4.94 customer rating, 1142 for 30-day total, and 48,861 for our lifetime deliveries. And let's go fix those on-time rates. Kona Grill. That's interesting. There's no way I could have gotten here by 10:55. From Kona Grill to drop that off, but we will say unexpected traffic. We will exclude it. Okay, let's take a look at what is the other one. Einstein Bagel. That was a catering order. You would think with a catering order that they would know that you're setting things up, you're emptying your bags, but whatever. We are going to. All right, that's excluded as well. All right, so with that, hopefully you're dream building. Hopefully you're coming up with a lot of ideas of where you want to take your future after you get out of debt or make more money and pile up that pile of cash that you need in order to start a new project. Always dream. It's a great resource to be able to add to your why, a reason to get off the couch because you want something so badly that you're willing to do whatever it takes. And yeah, keep dreaming. Always dream. All right, with that, I'm going to let you go and I'm out of here. So tomorrow we shall go for success. Talk to you tomorrow.